What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we want to be talking about this picture right here. You guys requested it a lot of times now, and I just got a new request about this picture, so I thought I'll handle it in this video today. And I want to show you how to recreate this kind of disposable camera look that Tyler the Creator and A$AP Rocky have in this picture. Now, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that once you buy it, it will be updating on a weekly basis. So every time I create new presets, they're automatically in the all presets pack. So buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. So for all of you who already have the all presets pack, you can now just download this preset right here and start working with it. For the rest of you, let's jump into this tutorial. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if there's anything you need, any new requests that you have, new ideas for videos that I can do for you, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation, and I'm trying to reply as fast as I can. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing you will need to do, of course, is take your picture, and I think it works really good if you take your picture with the mobile phone and you make sure the flash is on. You're in a rather dark setting and you're wearing something bright, so the flash kind of reflects from your clothing and creates that nice and gloomy glow around the subject, or in this case around you. So having said that, we want to open up our picture that we've created in the free Lightroom app right now, like right here. And now I've chosen this picture right here that I found online because I think it comes close to the settings, also flash. To me, it looks as if it was taken on a mobile phone, and it's in a dark setting. So it's the perfect base. Then you want to go to light down here, go to curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. Maybe take a quick screenshot or something to really make sure that you come as close to this curve as possible. Now, it's a smooth S curve, so the shadows on the bottom left side are pulled down a little bit, and the highlights on the upper right side are pushed up a little bit. Then we are done here. Now, the next thing you want to do is just boost up the exposure a little bit to 0.1 right here, or 0.11 in this case. Then the contrast, we want to boost that up as well to +8. The highlights we want to pull down to -16. And the whites we want to boost up all the way to +34 right here. The shadows we also want to pull down to -16. I forgot about those right here. And now the blacks we want to pull down all the way to -21 right there. Then we hit the colors tab here, and what you want to do is boost up the temperature a little bit to around +14. Also, the tint, we want to boost that up to +15 to that purple area. And then the saturation down here, we want to pull down to -24. Then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right side, and for the red tones, we just want to boost the hue to +19, pull down the saturation to -29 right here. Go over to the orange tones, pull down the hue to -8, pull down the saturation as well to -40, and leave the luminance at 0. The yellow tones, the green tones, we're not going to change, but the aqua tones right here, what we want to do is just pull down the saturation to -64. It really just, in this case, takes out the saturation of the back wall, that blue wall that we don't want. And then also we want to pull down the luminance to get that wall in the background a little darker to -37. Then we go over to the blue tones, and same thing, just pull down the saturation a little bit to -62 right here, and then we are done. Now we go over to color grading on the upper middle right here, and now this used to be split toning, it's now color grading. Same thing, the shadows we want to pull into that green area to a hue of around 117. Around there, and a saturation of 15 or 14 is good. So it's 118 and 14. The midtones right here, we're not going to change, but the highlights, we want to pull them into that purple area a little bit. So we choose a hue of around 300 right here, that purple area. And then we want to pull the saturation to around 20 right there. So it's 309, 22. That is perfect to get that purple highlight tone. And then we're done. Here we go over to the effects tab, and we're just gonna do some final touches. So the clarity we want to pull down to -46 just to get it really soft. And now you can see that sweater, that white sweater, really glowing, having that nice soft glow around it, and that's because the flash reflects. And now we're pulling down the clarity, so that's a really cool effect to keep in mind. Then dehaze, we want to boost that up to +24 just to bring the shadows back a little. And then of course we want to add grain here to around 30, should be perfect right there, and we are done. And now that's it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that A$AP Rocky, Tyler the Creator inspired look. I hope you're happy with this tutorial. Once again, if you're having troubles following along to the tutorial or you just don't have the time, I've also created a preset on exactly this look right here. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack, so you can just easily paste this look to every one of your pictures in the free Lightroom app. And in that pack, there are over 100 presets inspired by rappers, influencers, models, so make sure to check that out. And the cool thing about the pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically uploaded to that pack, so make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos if this mobile photography topic is something that interests you. And of course, if there's anything you need from me, any new ideas that you have for new videos that I can do for you, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and trying to reply as fast as I can. Now, it's been a lot of DMs lately, but I'm really trying to keep up with you guys and reply to you. So thanks so much for all of your support. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.